A warrior once set out to climb a mountain. At the base were many trails. A sign read, "All paths lead to the summit." Some trails were steep and disciplined. Some smooth and easy. Some had music, lights, and guides promising power. The warrior chose the easiest trail. It felt good. There were voices cheering him on. He was told that he was special, chosen, advanced. But when he got to the top, he wasn't at the summit. He was on a platform built halfway up the mountain, surrounded by people who believed they had arrived. Meanwhile, the real summit was silent. No music, no applause. Just air so clear that it stripped away illusion. An old master met him on the way down and said, "Not all paths lead upward. Some paths are built to keep you comfortable below." The warrior nodded and descended. This time he chose the steeper trail. It was harder, quieter, lonelier. But when he got to the summit, there was no voice congratulating him, only stillness. And in that stillness, he realized the mountain had never needed applause. Warriors, remember, not all spiritual paths lead to truth. Some are platforms built below the summit. Train your body, sharpen your mind, but never mistake comfort for elevation.